share what jumped in on my lap. Another monster on the boat, you guys. Sorry I didn't get this on my GoPro camera right behind me. As you can see, man, the wind, the waves are picking up. I was just about to go in. I'm just right outside of the entrance of Kauai High. And that's when this, oh no, again. Have a great morning.
Make me wanna run and play every time I think of you. Then I wanna go up and sit right down and look at the ocean so blue. I wanna feel the breeze blowing in my face and let all things hang loose. Whisper your name, feel no pain, relax and cruise. This is the life I was given. This is a life I love country living. This is a life, the life meant for me and you. So I hope you get to live it too. Yeah, and I hope you get to live it too. I wanna get on my bike and ride that red dirt road from the cane fields to the shore. I wanna skip stones with my cousins as the ahi skim the ocean floor. And as the sun goes down and the moon goes up, I can see the stars. As we sit by that fire beneath our shack and jam our guitars. This is the life I was given. This is a life I love country living. This is a life, the life meant for me and you. So I hope you get to live it too. Yeah, and I hope you get to live it too. Take the time to unwind and let the island soothe your soul. Feel the music everywhere and let aloha take control. 'Cause I can see the pain in your eyes from the pressures of today. Open your eyes, we're in paradise, and throw them all away. This is the life I was given. This is a life I love country living. This is the life meant for me and you. So I hope you get to live it too. Yeah, and I hope you get to live it too.
First one on the boat. Nice Ono to start the morning.
This song's dedicated to the people back home in Pakala, Hawaii. I was getting off my plane, going insane. I can't wait to be back home. On the west side of Kauai, Pakala, H.I., a place I can call my own. I'm gonna kick off these boots and finally go surf. I'm going back to my roots on my hometown dirt. Yeah, yeah. Oh, the water water make me feel so good. Oh, the water make me feel so good. I'm in love it, always thinking of it. Yeah, Color waters make me feel so good. Color waters make me feel so good. I'm in love it, always thinking of it. I finally arrived, feeling alive. I'ma be here all week. My heart's jumping cause the surface bumping. Offshore and about 8 feet. Surfing is how I push my problems away. I'm paddling out, glad to be home today. Oh, the water make me feel so good. Oh, the water make me feel so good. I'm in love it, always thinking of it. Yeah, but color waters make me feel so good. But color waters make me feel so good. I'm in love it, always thinking of it. I'm a local boy, and the ocean is my toy. Just being in the water fills me up with joy. But color's the place for the surfer race. See the smile on my face, cause Bacala's the place to be. Oh, the water make me feel so good. Oh, the water make me feel so good. I'm in love it, always on my mind, always thinking of it. All of it, yeah. Color waters make me feel so good. Color waters make me feel so good. I'm in love it, always thinking of it. It's always on my mind. Oh, the water make me feel so good. Oh, the water make me feel so good. I'm in love it, very much thinking of it.
Okay. So right on the surface, right on the top. Ah.